नॉर्थ बंगाल में भारी मात्रा में बारिश के कारण लैंडस्लाइड हुई। दोनों दिन भारी बारिश के कारण दार्जिलिंग, कालिम्पोंग जिला और सिक्किम में भी लैंडस्लाइड देखने को मिली। कालिम्पोंग जिला में करीब 18 जगह पर लैंडस्लाइड हुई। 10 साल पहले 2011 में जीटीए आईन कानून लागू हुआ था। इन्हीं विषयों पर केंद्र और राज्य सरकारों ने करोड़ों रुपए दिए थे। आईन कानून के मुताबिक जीटीए को हर वर्ष राज्यपाल को रिपोर्ट पेश करनी थी, परंतु पिछले 10 सालों में एक भी रिपोर्ट नहीं दी गई है। इसी के समक्ष पश्चिम बंगाल के राज्यपाल कामकाज को देखने आए।
I stayed in Darjeeling for last 10 years, since 2011 when the act came for Gorkha Territorial Administration, and in 2012 Gorkha Territorial Administration was formed. Central government is giving money in crores, state government is giving money in crores. Under the act, they are required to give a report to the governor every year. No such report has been given during 10 years. This is unimaginable. Rule of law is getting capsized. What is required to be done every year as per command of the legislature, as per provision of the act, not once it has been done. CAG is required to audit every year. Every year. Audit has not taken place even for a single year. These things do not augur well. I have myself seen people have contacted me, indicated that election was there once only. Thereafter, ad hoc arrangement was made, putting political people inclined in favor of ruling dispensation. Gorkha Territorial Administration has virtually become a den of corruption if I go by the inputs that have been made available to me by lot many bodies and individuals. These are not good state of affairs.